The VIP Laser from Ackley Hartnett is the versatile, intelligent platform with sophisticated engineering, sleek design, and a compact footprint that is flexible, affordable, and customized to your exact needs. This single-lane system accommodates capsules, tablets, and LCTs of any shape and size and can drill or mark and inspect up to 50,000 products per hour. Utilizing two 80-watt CO2-fired air-cooled lasers, the VIP is guaranteed to drill the correct side of bilayer tablets every time. Ackley Hartnett's user-friendly touchscreen allows for easy operation and management of up to 25 recipes, and changing between products is simple, with easy-to-swap carrier links and change parts. The superior vision inspection system confirms the presence and diameter of each aperture, while our patented single-product rejection system detects defects and removes individual tablets with camera confirmation. The power to singulate, position, drill, mark, and inspect with pixel precision, combined with flexibility and affordability, is what makes the VIP Laser the ideal production machine. Talk to us about customizing your VIP Laser today.